The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
Law enforcement warning. By the Tampa County Sheriff's Office, the Sheriff's Office has reported multiple power outages in the area. For your safety, residents are being asked to not travel at all, even if you are traveling for work or shopping. The power company is working to fix power lines and communication lines. If you see a tree or a power line down, call the police department for more information.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.